Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Moving on to question number 11. Show that 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, now we have to solve the LHS over here, and LHS ka answer on solving we should get 5. So we'll solve each one individually first because हर एक denominator को rationalize करना पड़ेगा. Every denominator is having root over here, so we'll rationalize each one individually. So 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. We'll rationalize it. So इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 3 plus 2 root 2. I'll multiply in both numerator and denominator. So 1 into 3 plus 2 root 2 gives 3 plus 2 root 2 upon, this will be of the form a square minus b square, which gives 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 2 ka square is 4, root 2 square is 2. So it is 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. So इसका final answer हो जाएगा 3 plus 2 root 2. 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7. So 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 का rationalizing factor is 2 root 2 plus root 7. So 2 root 2 plus root 7 will be the numerator. This will be of the form a square minus b square 2 root 2 plus root 7 upon 2 ka square gives 4, root 2 square gives 2. Root 7 square gives 7. So 2 root 2 plus root 7 upon 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 2 root 2 plus root 7. Moving on to the third one. It is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. तो इसका rationalizing factor है root 7 plus root 6. Multiplying in both numerator and denominator, we get root 7 plus root 6 in the numerator, and denominator में root 7 square minus root 6 square, root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6 हो जाएगा. Root 7 square is 7, root 6 square is 6. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 1 हो जाता है. I'm not writing that. Root 7 plus root 6 is the answer. The next one is 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. So we'll rationalize this. Rationalizing factor है root 6 plus root 5. One into root 6 plus root 5 gives root 6 plus root 5. This will be of the form root 6 square minus root 5 square, root 6 plus root 5 upon 6 minus 5 हो जाएगा. Okay, root 6 square is 6, root 5 square is 5. 6 minus 5 gives you 1, so root 6 plus root 5 will be the answer. Last one is 1 upon root 5 minus 2. इसका rationalizing factor है root 5 plus 2. Numerator में we'll get root 5 plus 2. Denominator में root 5 square minus 2 square. Now this is equal to root 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 4. Root 5 square is 5 and 2 square is 4. So root 5 plus 2 will be the answer. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have got the values of all of these. Simplified values मिल गया है. Denominator is rationalized. So now you can easily add and subtract these values. So let us proceed. I'll write down the LHS first. LHS is 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. Now I have got the values of all of these already rationalized कर लिया है. इसका value is going to be 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so it is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 is 2 root 2 plus root 7. So 2 root 2 plus root 7. Put all of these in brackets. Then we'll open the brackets and solve. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 ka I'll get root 7 plus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. I'll get root 6 plus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2 का I have root 5 plus 2. So I substituted the values. Now I'll open the brackets. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2. 2 root 2 कैंसिल हो रहा है. प्लस माइनस है. minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5. What's remaining is 3 and 2. Both are positive. We'll add them. So 3 plus 2 gives 5, which is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved that this LHS is equal to 5. So we'll write down hence proved.